The net effect of these changes is that we can now log into the shop floor in 3 different modes. If we log in as the supervisor, then the system automatically brings up the assignment list and provides other options that the supervisor is available to look at, such as resource summary, to see what their resources are currently doing and whether they are active or inactive. If I log out and log back in as the generic user, then in this case it automatically brings up the employee login screen and allows me to log in as an operator. I can then see which jobs are due to start in my work center. I can also switch and have a look at any active tasks that I have. So I'm now in operator mode and I can log out. If I log out, then that takes me back here to allow the next operator to log in and perform the same activities. Third mode is to log in machine mode. So in this case, I'm going to log in with a machine user ID. This automatically sets the system into machine mode. Again, it looks very similar to the operator mode. Note, we cannot change the work center. A machine is fixed in a given work center, but the other options are available, such as machine downtime and so on, that is valid for a machine. These are the 3 different modes that ShopFloor operates in, and they're all related to the users that are used to log into the ShopFloor module.